Here's what you'll need for a classic Italian dish: chicken puttanesca, some chicken. I've gone for breast, but you could have easily just had legs, drumsticks, chicken thighs, anything like that. 4 garlic cloves, some anchovies, some chicken stock, bit of tomato puree, an onion, or in my case some spring onions to add a bit of colour as well, tin of tomatoes, some capers, some oregano, some olives, chili flakes, and a dash of white wine. The first thing we're going to do, if you're as picky as me, is take off the chicken, anything you don't like the look of. When they've had a quick trim, time to go on with some salt and pepper. Into a pan with some olive oil, and then it's in with your chicken. You're going to cook it for around 3 to 5 minutes each side, just so they're lightly browned. When your chicken's done, take that out of the pan, and then into those juices and oil you go in with your chopped up onion, and just give them 4 or 5 minutes just to soften down. With your onion softening down, it's time to get half a teaspoon of your chili flakes, crush and chop your garlic as best you can, or even better, put it in one of these things, and then get your 2 anchovy fillets and just chop them up. With everything chopped, it's time to get them into the pan. And these will only need a minute just to heat through really. When they've had a minute, it's time to go in with a good glug of your white wine. Turn the heat up a bit, and then this is going to deglaze all them little burnty bits off the bottom of the pan, those lovely chicken flavours. And it's had a few minutes to cook the alcohol out of it. Time to go in with your chicken stock. Into there then goes a teaspoon of oregano and your chopped tomatoes, capers and olives. And then a bit of salt and pepper, according to your own taste of course. Back in with your chicken. And last but not least, add some tomato puree to add a bit more flavour in there and help thicken up the sauce a bit. About a tablespoon. Then you're going to cover that and leave that simmering away for around 15 to 20 minutes, just to ensure that the flavours have got into the chicken and all the chicken's cooked through. When it's had 15 to 20 minutes, take it off the heat. You'll see that the sauce has thickened up a bit. Nice, and because it is Italian, it'd be a crime not to serve it with pasta. So get your pasta boiled up and get it served.